chant again. The Fire Cheney chant that was heard first last Thursday.
We came to the conclusion Lenny was a choice. He's a natural fit, I believe, for the New York Knicks at this present time.
Toronto Raptors win the series 3-2. Now Isaiah Thomas getting in the face of Mo Pierce. Look at this.
I felt like he and I mutually agreed that in the best interest of everybody, that we should go our separate ways.
It's a very proud and happy day for the New York Knicks.
All right. As long as you enjoy something, you should do it. And when it gets stale and you don't enjoy it, then you need to start thinking about something else. Right now, I mean, I love the game.